I went to the woods because I wished to live deliberately. Henry David Thoreau wrote these words in Walden, seeking simplicity, clarity, and purpose. He escaped the noise of the world to find what truly mattered. And maybe that's why I ride. Pedal after pedal, mile after mile. There's something about the rhythm, the solitude, the fresh air cutting through the trees. Out here, there are no emails, no notifications, no endless scrolling, just movement, breath, and the sound of tires on dirt. Living deliberately, if only for a little while. So if life feels too loud, maybe the answer isn't more noise. Maybe it's more moments like this.